employee onboarding options allow customization of templates and the final disclaimer. First, we can go to the email templates by going to Employee, Onboarding, click the options in the top right corner, then select Email Templates. Here you can make different canned invitations that can be sent out to your new hires. This allows you to have custom invitations per job title if needed. Though you can create multiple invitation templates, you will still have access to the Dominion default template. You can also click on a current template to edit or copy an existing template. For the final disclaimer, you can go back to Onboarding, Options, and click on Final Disclaimer. This allows you to customize the final sign-off that new hires complete before submitting their onboarding tasks. You can choose to use Dominion's default message for employees to sign, or you can create a customized message for employees to read and sign off. After creating a customized message, you will still have the option to revert back to the Dominion default at any time. This disclaimer can be found on the onboarding summary report after an employee finalizes their onboarding.